Imagine this, you're about to hit the road on your sleek, new bicycle, the sun is shining, and adventure calls. But wait, let's pause for a moment and consider your most valuable adventure gear. No, not your bike, but your helmet. Why, you ask? Well, let me share a little story that might just change the way you view that piece of gear. There once was a person, Jamie, who lived for weekend bike rides through winding trails and bustling city streets. Jamie believed in freedom, the wind in their hair, the speed, the thrill. But one day, an unexpected turn sent Jamie tumbling, and in that moment, everything changed. Thankfully, Jamie wore a helmet, turning what could have been a life-altering incident into a story they could share with a laugh and a gentle reminder, that helmet saved me. This isn't just about avoiding injuries, it's about embracing a lifestyle where we protect our ability to live fully, to remember, to think, to dream. Brain safety, with a simple act of wearing a helmet, is our ticket to countless adventures without compromise. But it doesn't stop at helmets. Living a brain-healthy life means eating foods rich in nutrients that fuel cognition, engaging in activities that challenge our minds, and yes, making sure we're physically protecting our heads, whether we're biking, skiing, or even just taking a leisurely skate in the park. So, next time you set out on an adventure, remember Jamie's story. Make brain safety a part of your routine, not as a chore, but as a badge of honor for adventurers who value the journeys yet to come. After all, the greatest adventures require the sharpest minds. Let's protect ours with pride.